Next week on Turtle Squad. What do the commercials on?
Tired of sounding prepubescent?
Yeah.
Want to sound like a cool guy?
Yeah.
Want to sound so seductive you'll seduce yourself?
Um.
Then order yourself an Acme voice changer pill. They're only a phone call away. Call 1-800-VOICE-MOD for your free sample.
Hello, Acme. I like a whole box. That was fast. Golly. It came in the mail. Gin and roses pill. I'll give it a shot. Achoo. That is different. I'll have to show people. Mother, listen. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Thanks to these pills, my life is about to be completely altered. First, by a lady. And a nice one. Nice rack. She even let me read her magazines.
Question. When was a nice romantic time for me and my boyfriend's first? Answer. Well, my first was on a beach, and I can tell you that when you... If I hadn't already pooped, that would have scared the poop out of me.
Sometimes my voice embarrassed my friends, however. Yeah.
Why are you moaning so much?
Have you been trying these pancakes? Because of my voice, I started to think I was too good for some people.
So yeah, have you ever been to the Mekong?
River, I mean.
Blow it out your ass, creep.
But eventually my actions caught up with me. Just take a pill in my salad.
No.
You son of a bitch. Hey man, what's up?
Not much. Mind if I have my girlfriend over later?
That's fine. Mung pill. You didn't, did you?
김모씨 좀 더! 아, 왜! 왜 진짜 먹는 거야? 내가 김모씨 처음 보는 거야!